I'm Dr. Crystal Cook, and I'm a family medicine doctor at MU Healthcare. We do all sorts of chronic care management. We take care of well people, we take care of sick people. We have a lot of people who come in for urgent matters, things that would normally go to an urgent care or something. They just come into our office for lacerations or fractures, falls. And so I am trained on a very wide variety of things. What I like the most is just the relationships with the patients. These are patients, some of them that I've taken care of now for over a decade. And you just have that longitudinal relationship with people. They feel like you're part of the family and you know about their family. Sometimes I'm taking care of 3-4 generations of a family. For continuous learning, I have found the easiest way to do it is the fact that I am involved in resident teaching. We have a family medicine residency program here in Jefferson City, and I am the attending at the clinic a couple of days a month, and I just interact with these residents, and then I have medical students come into my practice and things like that. And so that helps push me to stay on top of everything, and I learn new things regularly. By having MU Healthcare supporting these rural family medicine clinics, it enables us to deliver primary care and a wide variety of care into these rural locations where there otherwise wouldn't be care. I think MU Healthcare does a very good job of that and investing in these clinics. To maintain the work-life balance, what I do mostly is farming. We have cows and we have crops and things like that, and so in my spare time I'm mostly working on the farm. I also enjoy cooking and gardening and canning. Those keep me busy, and I have 2 daughters who are involved in school and sports and things, and that keeps us busy too.